Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some garlic shrimp. Yes. So here I have some medium-sized shrimp that I already washed and cleaned, and these are all of my seasoning. Here I have half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning, and some jerk seasoning. Okay, so first I'm just gonna blend it all together. I have not used any salt because you know most of the time like these seasoning full of so much salt, so I'm just gonna add it to my shrimp. Add all my seasoning. Then I'm gonna take my hands and just massage all that seasoning all over on my shrimp. And what I did, I cut right here, I slice it and deveined it. You see that? Nicely seasoning. And I'm telling you, it smells so good. And I'm gonna also add at least a teaspoon of olive oil to my shrimp just to keep it nice and moist. Then you just wanna give it a good massage. And you can just leave it to marinate, guys, for at least 30 minutes. Or if you don't have the time, you just cook it as it is, okay? That's perfect. So this is my garlic that I finely chopped up. And I'm using at least 6 to 7 cloves of garlic. But make sure, guys, it is nicely, finely chopped up, okay? I'm just gonna show you guys how I do it. I'm in a difficult angle, so I can't get to cut it the way I want to cut it to show you guys. You can just see that? I'm a proper chef. Oh, it's finally chopped up. So that's done. And I also have some parsley that I wash. And you're just gonna nicely chop it all up as well. I'm not using a lot, just a small amount. Yeah. The parsley just gonna make the shrimp look so nice. And it's gonna also add a nice flavor to the shrimp. And these are fresh parsley. So that should be perfect. So here I have my pot on the stove, and to my pot I add at least 2 spoons of olive oil. You can always use some vegetable oil. So now I'm gonna add my garlic. And I'm just gonna allow my garlic to saute for at least 2 minutes, okay? Because you want all that flavor of the garlic to come right through your oil, okay? Just gonna give it a good stir. Make sure your stove is not turned up too high. So now that it is all sauté and it is nice and brown, my garlic, but guys, please don't make it burned, okay? So now I'm gonna add my shrimp. And I'm just gonna allow my shrimp to brown on each side for at least 2 minutes, no longer than that. Make sure it is all spaced out. I'm telling you, it smells so good. You can smell all that garlic, the seasoning. So now, just after 2 minutes, I'm just gonna turn my shrimp, and it looks so nice, so delicious already. Nice and brown. It smells so good. So now guys, I'm gonna add at least 1 spoon of butter. Just gonna mix it all around. Then I'm gonna add my fresh parsley. You're just gonna leave it, guys, for at least 2 minutes and it is ready. See how nice it look already? So guys, my garlic shrimp is all finished and this is what it look like, and I'm telling you, it looks so good. Just look at it. Nice, plumpy. I'm just gonna finish it off with some chili seed. totally optional. Then I'm just gonna plate it up for you guys and show you how it looks on the plate. So stay tuned. So now guys, I'm gonna plate it up. Here I have some bread on the side. You can always have it with some pasta, with some mashed potato, with some rice, whatever you preferred, okay? So I'm just gonna add it all to my bowl. And guys, trust me, it smells so good. This recipe right here is a must try. It is absolutely delicious. So flavorful. Flavorful. See that? Yum. Just gonna sprinkle, add some parsley, some of my fresh parsley on top, just a little bit. Yeah, that's it. Gonna give you guys an up close look. See that? Oh my gosh, guys, please share this video to all of your families, your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. I work very hard just to get this video out for you guys. Even when my children are making noise, I said, please be quiet, I'm doing a video. So please support my YouTube channel, okay? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and hit your notification button for whenever I upload a video, you will be the first to see it. Yes. So just before I go, I'm just gonna taste my shrimp. Oh my gosh. Honestly, I'll give this recipe 10 out of 10. It is so tasty. You could taste the garlic, all that seasoning. Guys, trust me, this is perfect. Perfect. And you can even take some of your bread and just dip it in the butter sauce and just take a shrimp and just add with it. Yes, there you have it. Perfect meal. This is so good. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what, because God is always on your side. I just want to eat all this. It's so good. Super delicious.